In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Chase points to airline miles, like United miles. Basically, they're going to be able to transfer one-to-one. The credit card that I use is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. You can do this with their other credit cards as well. If you want to learn how to get points and do hacks with credit cards and miles and things like that, definitely check out the other videos on my channel and subscribe. Now what we want to do is go to the Benefits and Travel tab at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see I have 90,000 points and almost 9,000 pending. The best thing to do with these points is book travel because you get kind of a bonus when you do that. You can just convert your points to cash, but it's better off to use it on travel, especially on long flights, like flights to Japan. That's what I did. Because when you do that, you're gonna get a crazy deal for your points. You can do like business class to Japan, which is like the seat where you get a bigger spot and it's like a lay down seat. And those seats are normally like $9,000 or $13,000 depending on if you have a direct flight or not. But you can use your points, which convert to miles. You can use these miles on those seats, and then you can get that same seat for around $1,000, which is going to be a crazy value for using your miles or points. So you can see I have about $1,000 of unused points in here. So rather than just cashing this out for $1,000, I can buy a plain seat, which normally costs $9,000 plus. So I hope that kind of puts it into perspective. And if you want me to do a specific video on that, let me know. But what you want to do once you're on this screen is tap more, and then you want to do transfer points to partners. From here you can scroll down and see like airlines, hotels. What I did is transfer to United Airlines Mileage Plus. So this will give you the details here, but you basically just tap transfer points. You're going to put in your Mileage Plus number and tap next. There might be a confirmation screen, but that's basically it. Now it says your points transfer will take a week, but mine actually happened instantly last time I did it. And then if you open up your United app, you can see right here at the top I have 755 miles. That's because I just spent 110,000. Yeah, you can transfer your points to miles here one-to-one. And then when you go to book flight, you're going to be able to search by just money or money and miles or just miles. So there's how to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.